Mm. Welcome back to my channel, and guys, I'm just gonna have a quick update with our kumquat or calamansi, guys. Here Greg is doing
It's getting too tall, can't reach them.
yeah, just gonna cut the one on top there, guys.
Here's the first bit. Put it on the table, we can pick it later.
Kasi it's so long now. Ayan. So as you can see, there's the fruits of our calamansi there. Ayan, pakita ko sa iyo. Ayan, transfer ko to guys. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan. Yan yung grass dyan. Oh, super long na din guys.
Watching me cut, no?
Yes, yes. I'm going to watch baby. Kanya sila guys. Ayan ang kanya. You can see it.
Watch out.
Oops. I'm gonna take that one off the tree. The fruits there, guys. Take it somewhere, guys.
Someone's going over the fence too.
Mm.
This one's growing in. Rose, climbing rose.
Oh, you're right there?
Got a fair bit off it.
Hmm.
But that should take this one out here.
Ayan, I'm just taking video guys, and he's the one do the job. Ayan.
Wow, I don't need the ladder.
Can I just like Okay. Ayan. There's lots of fruits there. Ayan. He's dragging it, guys. They're already ripe.
That's pretty healthy.
Mm.
This one's alright. Doesn't really need it.
Mm.
Just
Mm.
take that one off the other side.
One more.
One
One more in the other side, and it's done.
I can get in here.
Yeah, you can get
Open it
that
up
one.
to the middle anyway.
Mm.
Do this one here.
Okay.
And any new growth we can grow out wider.
Mm. Yeah, yes, that's one. Yeah. Well, good.
Oh, you want that other one too? That's high on.
I think that's okay.
Just leave it. For
Yeah,
now.
because might
And it's
be.
not hanging over the fence.
Yeah, I think if you do too much, maybe they're gonna
Yeah.
upset. If you do too much, huh? So better just.
Secrets are healthy, I think. When I do water changes in the fish tank, I put the water on the roots.
That's why it's very healthy, guys.
That one is tall.
My comfort is always have fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah? Our comfort.
Pretty much all year round. You can see
Yeah.
on here it's got little new ones growing, but these ones won't be able to grow. Hopefully it will survive the thing that it's getting too tall to pick, and on the neighbour's caravan a bit, so do the right thing. Hopefully train it to grow out. Lan was helping me, but she can't film and do it at the same time.
Yeah, I did some of it. That's why it's a lot now here in the bucket, guys. So I stop and then filming.
Look at this one,
And-
look at that, that's
yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, that's
Doesn't
nice.
get better than that.
Yeah, you
Move
see?
out of your backyard.
Look at
No
that, guys.
chemicals, no pity I don't like them.
I like it a lot. Yeah, lots of Filipino loves culture, calamansi. Ayan.
Cut the stem like that, don't pull the stem out.
Yeah,
It'll
like
last for probably up to 2 weeks like that.
yeah.
If you pull the stem out 3 or 4 days, they'll
Yeah.
start rotting.
So better to cut.
They probably know that.
Yeah, me. Yeah, I'm sure they know.
But anyway, someone
Yeah.
might have known, or someone will learn something.
Yeah. Mhm.
This one no good.
Yeah, that one no good.
Just throw it on the garden. Some birds or something might get it.
Mm.
I'll turn this one over in a minute because one more on the other side. See, look at the birds. This one's no good. We miss a few, it doesn't matter. Always get bagfuls of away and stuff, and we still got too many. Huh?
If anyone some, you come
Yeah.
buy.
Just the next one, comment down below.
Ayan.
We'll do for 100 pesos a kilo plus postage.
Ayan. Ayan, this one is have something
Well,
there.
that's what we got an extra set of eyes. Throw it at it, it's no good.
Mm.
I'm just cutting them all off because if I leave them on, then I'll think, but this one's alright. You know?
Mm.
It's not inside.
Yeah, that one okay.
We took 4 big branches off, so we've got a few.
Mm.
Gonna get a bunch of
There's a lot now, guys, inside.
This is easier cutting them here than on the tree.
So you got 2 more to go there, guys. Ayan, for you to watch, guys. Ah.
That'll do that one really. I might miss a couple, but it's not.
So this is the last 2 left. And it's full now, guys.
More than a bucket, guys. This one's got plenty on it.